welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to be basically just setting up this playmoble set. It's two sets, so they don't come together. Some pieces are from other sets. We still have them. We don't really have them all sorted out. But this is our first set. Over here, as you can see, I have my sister with me. But
it's a Christmas set.
Yeah. So this, we're going to be decorating this. Of course, the Christmas set, it's vlogmas. And then this other set comes with a background.
With elves.
Yeah.
It's like an elf thing.
So we're going to just set that over there. And we had it kind of planned out where we put everything. I'm going to do like a time lapse or whatever, and then we can just show you guys the results and everything. It's Vlogmas Day. What day is it? Vlogmas Day 5. So, the 5th one. So yeah, Merry Christmas to you guys. We have a lot of accessories in this bin. Alright, let's just get started. Decorating all this. I'm super excited for you guys to see this. Now it's time for the grand reveal and tour. Let's do this. So we start with this. We have Santa's sleigh right here, and Mr. Elf, who knocked over one of the presents while putting it in, is going to get in trouble by Santa, so he's quickly shuffling to put it all back in the box. But we have these little things so that Santa knows where to go. Now we just get to go look over here. So we have that little pretzel sign because this is where they make all the treats. I wonder if we open this, if there are any cookies that will come out. Nope. Well, normally if cookies are ready, they'll come right out and slide down. But, so, why don't we just take a quick trip. Let's say it's night. The little light can turn on right there, just so that everyone knows where to go. Let's just take a quick trip inside.
Okay, guys, so over here we have this little elf, and I don't know where his hat is, but he's currently watching this machine crush these, like, cinnamon rolls, yeah. And then, if you go up here, we have one of Santa's helpers that looks a lot like Santa. He is holding a water, and he's currently opening this, trying to get taking the cookies out. And up here, if you go up here, there's some food and deserts and milks and stuff. That is like the salt or something, I don't know. And there's some chocolate milk, some orange juice, and some eggs over there. And that's really all there is in here. Okay, guys, so over here on this half, we have a little like horsey thing that you can like go on and ride on. I actually like how it really moves and rocks. And they have some tools that they must have dropped on the ground. We have Santa right here with his list and pen. He's watching the elves. Then he has some paint and a paintbrush there. They have the elves have a toy, some tools that they were probably making it with. Then as you can see, we have this bucket, and this present is right here, currently going down, and actually there's a little present inside. It's a little toy inside, not a present. It's just sitting there gonna go down, and that's it. Actually there's also a train that actually moves. Then we also have a little girl elf who is helping out with the instrument. I think she is currently trying to grab these little things and putting them in here. And then we have this ladder leading up into here,
where the attic goes, where all the food was stored. Alright, so over here we have where Santa's reindeers hang out. So currently, right now, the rest of reindeers are outside training, getting ready for Christmas. And this reindeer over here is eating his vegetables. Come on, kids, eat your vegetables. Okay, he's got some grass here, hay, his little pooper scooper. And then this elf was helping out with him. Over here we have a bucket of tools. Okay. We have this bucket of tools here that is full of tools that they use to make toys. But they were just working on upgrading the shed for them. And, you know, you can kind of see the background. There's lots of hills and stuff. And so it's pretty nice. And wait, is that a dog? No, that's a birdhouse. Oh my gosh, it looks kind of like a dog. But yeah. Okay, wait. And then they got a little shovel for pooper scoopering. I don't know why I picked it up like that. It probably just got moved on my hands. All right, yeah. So that's kind of what it looks like over here. You can see there's a little snowman right here, printed onto the wood. Some cute animals and stuff. And it kind of just goes up like that. So that's added to the scene. It's really nice. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to have a great day. Vlogmas number 5. If you guys have any other videos you guys would like me to do, and if you're new here, hello. My name is Lauren. I don't know if I said that at all, but yeah.
My name's Lydia, by the way, since we didn't even say my name in the beginning of the video.
Yeah, what's it? Okay, well, anyways, so yeah. Happy Christmas. What? Okay. Alright, yeah, so sorry, that was like a bunch of randomness, okay, right there, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!
Where the treetops glisten and children listen